Ki pulit kanong ba Shillong kirama hamting ki samla bakim day bandi haba kinya ya ki kali arshaka ne ki saw shaka namar bakan wanra jingman saw omtangi ki banya henry ki pat ba ru kumju haba kran shakilat pathai khobor menta ka khatlai tarik no pra arja ar paulai USP ka es ka hills uba Sylvester nong tenger ulong ba ka jingjor ka jingja Aksiden hanong ba Shillong kadai namar ba ki breu kinya ya ki kali hadin ba kiladap di buat bat sha Pynshad ha Khaw Yiang USP ulama hamting bakim day banya bat kadi namar kadai ka jingpen Kenya ka an.
Also, as earlier SPCG says that we request all the youngsters, all the drivers that don't drink before driving, be it two-wheelers or four-wheelers, okay? Because once you drink, maximum of all the accidents as per the record in Shillong city is because of the drunken. Many because of drunken, otherwise if you don't drink before driving, then I think this will reduce the fatal or reduce the what called accidents in Shillong city, especially in the highway. So our request is that nobody should drink before they sit in the seat belt, in the steering or in the two-wheeler. To check the people to drive within the permissible speed, be the two-wheelers or be the four-wheelers.
Set up checkpoints in various places, especially at night, to check youngsters who actually have consumed alcohol and drinking. So we are concerned about actually young people driving and drinking and driving, and we also concerned that those people who have not got licenses are driving. So we have actually set up these nakas to check on these things. So after the checking and all that has drastically reduced, but we would urge parents, we would urge their guardians and all that, please do not give two-wheelers when they have not acquired a license. They have not they are not supposed to consume alcohol when they are planning to drive and all that. So otherwise it will cause accidents, which we have seen that these accidents are very fatal in nature, especially with two-wheelers. We also urge that we have also conducted surprise checkings in one ways where there is no entry from one side, whereby some people violate no entries, and we have seen also many a time that there have been fatal accidents and loss of lives. So STP is on the job to actually ensure that there is no rash negligent driving, so that lives are saved, and also that there is no social nuisance. So in various forms, this is just one such initiative. No, there are so many others. Loud noise from boom boxes and all that. There are also people using blinkers. Then there are also so many other things, so many other violations than drunken driving and all that, which we are doing and all that. So